Hey guys, welcome to the 2 a.m. pipe on a patio. Actually, I'm out on the front porch today. It's been raining pretty good out here, and I am smoking my Kaviki. I love this pipe. And in it, I am smoking Newminster 403 Superior Round Slices. That I got from Goatman Stevie. Love these. I'm sold on the Newminster bulk tobaccos. I just ordered 8 ounces of the Navy Flakes, the 400 Superior Navy Flakes. And I am just enjoying the heck out of these. The Navy Flakes and these. Just great tobaccos. So it's been raining like crazy here today. So I've been on the phone all day long with insurance and disability and all of those people, and it's been just nuts today. And I'm so stressed out. I needed this one. It's been a couple days since I've had a pipe, and I needed to get out here for this one. So I wasn't going to let the rain stop me today. It's a little bit noisier out here on the front porch because we got we overlook the valley here, and down in the valley is the freeway, and so the sound comes up the hill here and up into the front yard, and it's early too, so it's only it's 8:30 right now, so there's still a lot of traffic going down through there, but I wanted to get out here and have a bowl because I needed it. I needed to relax. So just wanted to remind everybody that I have a GAW going. If you haven't already checked it out, check it out, and get in on it if you're so inclined. But today was frustrating, very frustrating today. So But I just wanted to ask everybody to keep Cliff Higgins in your prayers. His dad is not doing real well, and so if you could keep him in your prayers, that'd be great. Also, my daughter, little Miss Sadie, she's got a bit of a cold and she's hacking and coughing, and so if you could say a little prayer for her. She's always around little kids. She teaches in a preschool, so she's always around little kids with colds and stuff, and she brings it home, and I'm trying to stay away from that. So if you can just keep her in your prayers, that'd be great. So I noticed that a lot of guys were talking about recently that they couldn't find Haunted Bookshop in bulk, and Smoking Pipes has it in bulk right now. So if you're looking for Haunted Bookshop in bulk, Smoking Pipes has it, and so you can find it there. At least they had it earlier today when I ordered some. I don't know if they have it in cans or not. In tins, I believe they do, but I know they have it in bulk. A while back, I couldn't find it in bulk any place, so. It's starting to rain again here. It's supposed to rain for the next 3 days here. So I'll probably be doing my videos from out here on the front porch, which is okay with me. I don't mind this at all. It's fine. It's just a little noisier out here. Hopefully having this microphone helps a little better with that. You can still hear me. I love the rain. I just absolutely love the rain. We don't get enough of it here. So when we do get it, I love it. I love watching it come down in the lights and the trees. Just don't see it enough here in California. So. This is a really nice tobacco here. These Newminster 403 Superior Round Flakes. These are, I just really am enjoying this Newminster tobaccos. They are quite good, quite good. I'm going to be spending some time with these in the future, I'll tell you that. Yeah, buddy. I'll tell you. It's a little brighter out here than I normally like, but I don't have my lanterns out here, so I'm just using the porch light. So I'm going to end this right here. I'm going to do a couple of VRs after this, so I will catch you guys later. Y'all have a good night, and God bless each and every one of you. Take care.